Good evening, Athens and North Georgia. I'm student meteorologist Mason Sikes here at the University of Georgia, here to bring you an up-to-date urgent forecast for anyone in these green-colored counties and districts, as we are currently under a flood watch. And what does that mean? So a flood watch in this case is when we have a lot of rain in a short period of time to where the ground cannot soak it in. We are expecting 1 inch to 2.5 inches of rainfall to fall with this next batch of storms that could cause flooding in any of these areas in green, especially in areas such as Atlanta or urban areas that do not have good water management, where this flood water has nowhere else to go and it will flood into the roads and cause crashes. So if you guys are in any of these areas or any of these green zones, however, doesn't matter if you're in urban, suburban, it does not matter. If you guys are in these districts, make sure you guys stay safe, because even if you have the best water management system around, you guys do have a risk of floods, and this could be dangerous because it can cause crashes, it can cause fatalities, and it can cause power outages if anyone crashes into power lines. So make sure you guys stay alert with weather officials. Make sure you guys call up your friends and neighbors, make sure they're safe. And I would definitely say to make sure to bring an umbrella, especially as we move into tomorrow. Now, what does that look like for our radar? For tonight, we are looking at dry-ish conditions up until 12 o'clock or midnight, where we're expected to see even more rain from the southwest being pumped into the northeast by a low pressure system that's moving and following this trail of storms. As you guys can see, you can actually see that low pressure system. As we can see that kind of spinning right there over in Atlanta, that's actually that low pressure system moving through. It is rotating counterclockwise, and you can actually see that nice bit of rotation there. So by 1 p.m. tomorrow, we are expecting majority of these storms to clear out. However, this rotation that we saw earlier is going to be bringing right on back these storms up in Toccoa, Canton, and Dalton. These storms can be heavy at times. So even if the majority of Georgia is pretty much rain-free, you guys aren't until 11 p.m. on Wednesday. So make sure you guys take precautions as well. Stay safe, make sure you guys stay inside, and go dogs.